GPS tracker. Compact and small. Use it for almost every tracking purpose: vehicles, assets, family, employees, etc. Easy to carry in vehicles, pockets, backpacks, cases, and boxes. Rechargeable battery. This GL300W is ready to work. We save 1 full year of historical data. Device will detect events as movement, parked, speeding, device on/off, low battery, in and out of zones, front button pressed. You may draw and configure circular and more complex custom zones. Besides capturing and saving events, the system will enable you to configure email notifications for specific events. In the box, GL300W tracker, wall charger, SIM card, installed, activation instructions. We provide an international SIM card, so you can track your devices in the United States, Canada, Europe, and in almost every country in the world. No contracts. No activation fees. No cancellation fees. Only pay for a plan when you need it. Note, as with all GPS receivers, it works better if there are not obstacles between it and the open sky, especially if they are made up of metal or concrete. Track your device from your computer, tablet, or phone.